start. Your Excellencies, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Caring Like Family Awards Africa. This event and this award is a collaboration between the Saudi German Health Egypt and Africa Health excon. This event celebrates with the exceptional contributions of our healthcare professionals, leaders across Africa, recognizing their commitment to excellence, sustainability, quality, and patient safety. It's an honor to have with us today distinguished jury members, distinguished guests, and leaders who have inspired excellence in healthcare. To start our ceremony, it's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Mohammed Hablas, the Regional Director for Saudi German Health Egypt and North Africa. Please, Dr. Hablas.
Good evening. Esteemed guests, distinguished jury members, and honorable attendees, welcome to Caring Like Family Award Africa ceremony. It is with the utmost admiration and distinction that I extend a warm welcome to our guests to honor His Excellency Dr. Bahauddin Zidane and Dr. Ahmed Subki and Dr. Ahmed Taha. Thank you for gracing us with your esteemed presence this evening to join in the celebration of the remarkable achievements of our award recipients. To our valued jury members, we are profoundly grateful for your time, expertise, and unwavering dedication in meticulously reviewing the nominations and selecting this year's deserving honorees. Your steadfast commitment to recognizing and uplifting humanitarian efforts in the healthcare field is what pushed this event with such profound significance. Today, we gather to celebrate inspiring achievements and to be reminded that even in the face of immense challenges, the indomitable human spirits can rise up and create positive, lasting changes that resounds across generations in the healthcare field. And now, with great reverence, let us begin our joyous celebration, Caring Like Family Award Africa. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mohammed. And now, I'm super pleased to introduce Dr. Pamela Ajayi, the President of the Healthcare Federation of Nigeria.
Thank you. Good morning, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a pleasure and an honor for me to sit here today as one of the juries of the Caring Like Family Award in Africa. This award is, I must say, a very tremendous and seminal initiative by the Saudi German Hospital, and it is one that has reached all over Africa. We had several nominations, and I must say that the judging that was done was extremely critical. Areas like impact, innovation, sustainability, collaboration, the quality and safety, patient outcomes, as well as focusing on evidence-based practice were all issues that were examined. And I'm very happy to say that this award is something that really touches my heart. And the reason is that we often do our work as clinical doctors, as healthcare workers, but this award rewards people who go beyond the normal. They take that extra step. They do that extra bit to make that difference in people's lives. And so I want to commend the Saudi German Hospital for achieving or for starting this award, and we look forward to it spreading in years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Pamela. And now I'm pleased to introduce Dr. Ahmed Thaker, the Chairman Executive of Africa Health Business. Please, Dr. Ahmed.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, General Baha, Dr. Taha, Dr. Sokbi, Dr. Hablas, all the members of the high table, Saudi German Hospital, for coming up with the idea on Caring Like a Family Award. Keep it up. All the winners who will be recognized today, like Pamela mentioned, it has taken lots of facets before the award has been presented. But let me talk about the award. I would like to recognize millions of people who are right now looking after patients while we are sitting here at the excon. There is a nurse, there is a laboratory technician, there is a pharmacist, there is a doctor right now looking after patients across the entire continent. There are many healthcare workers who worked last night treating many patients, delivering babies, operating on complicated cases. To me, I think we should put our hands together to all of those health workers across Africa, because it is because of their hard work that we can look after families and we can take care of families. Many of these health workers don't really get to be recognized. Many of these workers don't maybe get the awards. Some of them have applied, and we will recognize some institutions and some health workers. But in the end, I think the true winners are dedicated frontline health workers who work day and night to make sure that we have good health outcomes. Our big congratulations to them. Our big congratulations to the providers and to Saudi German. Keep up this spirit on creating partnerships that will improve health in Africa. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ahmed. And I'm pleased to introduce Prof. Salim Hasham, CEO, the President of KKM Health Ltd, Kenya. Please, Dr. Hasham.
Thank you, Dr. Hablas, distinguished colleagues who are here at the head table, jury panelists. It's my pleasure to be here with you today. It gives me good, it's working. So it was really great to be part of the Jury Awards program. And as an educator, I also teach executive masters in healthcare management programs, and I'm also in the delivery of healthcare. And one thing that always fascinates me is when we take the time and effort to look at projects that work, because in many cases what tends to happen is students, they put projects together, distinguished fellows who will be receiving their awards today, they take the time and effort to acknowledge things that work. So I want to really thank all the people that worked on all the projects. It's always difficult when you don't actually win the award, but the important thing to remember is that in healthcare, it's always going to be the effort to build your culture, to build innovation in the hospital. So every single Maybe I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you. So I think every single opportunity that you have taken to look for that acknowledgement is always going to be of value. So I want to acknowledge all the people who took the time and effort to apply for the awards. The other thing I want to also make acknowledgement is what my colleague said, is that it was very difficult to come to a decision because all the award applications we looked at were very well done. So it was a very difficult effort, but I really want to congratulate those who applied for it and those who actually won. And it's always, like I said, a pleasure to see the level of innovation happening in Africa. The types of award applications we got was across the range of different areas of safety, quality, innovation. So just as a last parting note, I would say congratulations to all those who won, and also congratulations to all those who applied, because you were part of the process to showcase your culture in your hospital, to showcase what it is that you value in your organization. So I think that was extremely important. So again, all the best wishes to those who won. Thank you.
Thank you, Prof. Salim. And now I'm pleased to introduce Dr. Hisham Badr, Vice President of the Egyptian Authority for Unified Procurement, Medical Supply and Technology Management. Please, Dr. Hisham.
Thank you very much for inviting, and actually I'm not preparing my speech, but it came to my mind that I'm very happy that we are all here sitting in order to serve the patients across the continental, which is congratulations for the Saudi-German group that taking such initiative in order to ensure that a high care outcome for the patients across the continental, it's competing together and bring a competitive environment between different institutions across the continental in order to be ranked across the continental. And also I'd like to thank the Saudi-German group for the selection of the panelist members that make sense for the award itself. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Hisham. And now, it's my honor to introduce His Excellency, Dr. Ahmed Taha, Chairman of GAHAR, the General Authority for Healthcare Accreditation and Regulation. Please, Doctor.
Good afternoon, everyone. Your Excellency, Minister Bahauddin Zidan, the Chairman of هيئة الشراء الموحد وتكنولوجيا الطبية. I would take this opportunity to congratulate you for this magnificent Congress and exhibition that proves its success and its power to gather all the African countries and proves this success year by year. Of course, I would like also to greet my dear colleague, Dr. Ahmed Sobki, to congratulate Dr. Hablas for organizing this very important award. And my co-chairman on the table, it's my pleasure to be with you today at the Caring Like a Family Africa Award ceremony. I'd like to extend my appreciation to Saudi German Hospital for organizing this event and giving us the opportunity to witness the quality and safety practices in healthcare facilities across Africa. The chosen categories are significant as they focus on strengthening healthcare systems and improving the health of patients and communities. I was delighted to review the proposed projects and see African hospitals excelling in implementing remarkable improvement initiatives, applying quality methodologies, and making a positive impact in healthcare system across Africa. GAHAR was eager to participate as a jury member in this award to promote quality and safety practices in Egypt and throughout Africa, aiming to achieve the sustainable development goal of good health for African nation. Thank you for this very important award. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ahmed. And now, with His Excellency, Dr. Ahmed Al-Subki, the chairman of Egypt Healthcare Authority. Please, Dr. Ahmed.
Thank you so much, and good evening all. And unlike my colleague, Dr. Hisham Badr, I already prepared the speech, but I would like to speak from my deep heart to you all. So first of all, I'd like to thank Saudi-German group for organizing and for celebrating this version of Caring Like Family Award. Thank you so much, Dr. Hablas, and all the team, Dina for sure for coordinating, and all the team from Saudi German Hospital. Thank you so much for creating this platform. And also, I would like to invest this opportunity to congratulate His Excellency Major General Bahauddin Zidane for the successful success of launching and organizing the third version of Africa Health excon. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for all the efforts behind this very valuable and very fruitful event. Also, I'd like to thank His Excellency Professor Dr. Ahmed Taha, the chairman of GAHAR, for sharing the knowledge in this panel and the efforts behind selecting the winners of this award. Thank you so much. And for sure, my colleagues from the African continent, the eminent leaders from our African continent. Thank you so much. And I'd like also to add that this platform now is created for raising the efforts and highlighting the successful stories in healthcare management and also organizational management for all the African countries. And I'd like to reflect on that by very important indicator, because we have now 25 leaders and 25 organizations, which is very important to say that they will lead the transformation of healthcare system management in all the African countries in our continent. So thank you so much and congratulations, and for sure all my gratitude to Saudi German group for all efforts behind this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Ahmed. And now we are honored to have with us today His Excellency, the Major General Dr. Bahauddin Zidane, the Chairman of the Egyptian Authority for Unified Procurement, Medical Supply, and the Management of Medical Technology. Your Excellency, please.
My panel colleagues, distinguished guests, good afternoon, everyone. I appreciate and thanks to Saudi German staff for their strong presentation in Africa Health excon from the first edition. And from the start, they were the great support for the Africa excon. And I hope to continue this support for Africa excon in the fourth edition, especially after Dr. Jean Kaseya declared that the fourth editions will be the platform for the CDC Africa. Thanks for Saudi Germany, their idea and the visions for the award for the best doctors who had a challenge with the disease and support the patients in the last year. And I think it is a great idea, and congratulations for all doctors who win by this award. I have now a new idea, and I hope that all of us think how can I achieve this. As we usually elect doctors for awards, it is a time also to elect patients for awards. Usually, doctors succeeded through cooperation with his patients. And the survival of the patients, the challenge of the patient to the disease, the support of the patient also to the doctor to obey all his direct instruction. These points gives the chance the doctor to succeed. So I don't know how to select or how to elect these patients, but maybe through the doctors, through the story of these patients. Yes. But I think it will be a great message as we thank award to the doctor, we thank award to the patients. Thank you.
Thank you, Major General Dr. Bahauddin Zidan. And now, thank you, Dr. Salim Hasham. Thank you, Dr. Amit Thakur. And thank you, Dr. Pamela Ajayi. And now, please, invite His Excellency, Major General Dr. Bahauddin Zidan, His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Taha, and His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Al-Subki and Dr. Muhammad Hablas to the stage to honor the winning projects for the winners, please. Thank you. So, let's start with the first award, Excellence Award for Sustainability. The winning project is One Life, One Tree from Seacare IHK in Uganda, representing team Mrs. Jackie Irini Nabukera and Mrs. Sheila Abath. Welcome on the stage, please. Thank you. The Excellence Award for Quality and Patient Safety. The winning project is the Quality and Patient Safety. The representing team is Dr. Francis Onia and Mrs. Onoma Grant. Welcome to the stage, please. Thank you. And now, the Excellence Award for Patient Experience. The winning project is Door to Door in 3 from Avenue Healthcare Limited Hospitals in Kenya, representing team Mr. Imran Osman and Dr. Muhammad As-Said. Thank you. And finally, the Excellence Award for Cost Efficiency. The winning project is AMUA Cost Containment PK from Mpisha Hospital in Kenya, representing team Mr. Riyaz Sharif and Mr. Isao Eldini. Thank you. And now, as a mark of our deep appreciation, we honor our esteemed jury members for their exceptional contributions. Each will receive a silver plate in recognition of their commitment and expert judgment. Thank you for your time, thank you for your effort, and thank you for your honesty in evaluating the project and selecting the winners. These projects for sure will contribute to improving the quality of healthcare and advancing the field. Please welcome our esteemed jury members for Caring Like Family Award Africa. Dr. John Ozoro, Chief Operation Officer at Mpisha Hospital. Please welcome to the stage. Dr. Anushka Kovoyada, Chairperson of the Board, Kwazola Natal Children Hospital Trust and Board Member at Dawis Clinic, but unfortunately she can't join us today for other commitment. Dr. Pamela Ajayi, President of the Healthcare Federation of Nigeria. Prof. Salim Hasham, President and CEO of KKM Health Ltd. Prof. Salim Hasham, the CEO and the President of KKM Healthcare Ltd. Dr. Amit Thakur, the Executive Chairman of Africa Health Business. Dr. Muhammad Hablas, the Regional Director for Saudi German Health, Egypt and North Africa. Dr. Muhammad Hablas, the Regional Director for Saudi German Health and North Africa. Dr. Hisham Badr, Vice President of the Egyptian Authority for Unified Procurement, Medical Supply and Technology Management. His Excellency Dr. Ahmad Taha, Chairman of Gahar. And finally, His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Isubki, Chairman of Egypt Healthcare Authority. Finally, Our Excellencies, distinguished guests, I want to express my gratitude for your gracious presence today. Thank you for all joining us to celebrate these great achievements, and congratulations to all our winners. And now, I'm inviting all jury members, distinguished guests, and the winners, please, to the stage for the final group photo for commemoration this special occasion.